On that diff?
Oh yeah, it's really good. The outdrive is rubbing everything.
Oh shoot.
It might be wallowing off the diff.
So Canyon 1 is Joe Lindberg, 2 is Bravo, 3 is Adam Bartle, and 4 is Justin Freeman.
Hey Rob, can you see recording?
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to have everybody going on a code in less than 5. They're off. Here comes the lead.
First.
13 5 Steve drops 2 Ross Steve by Joe Lindberg, holding on to the lead, not him. All 3 cars down in 1 lap, still tightly hit.
First.
Thanks, Rob.
Ooh, Rob, in the little trouble, down back in the third, but he got it off in 2.
First.
Adam rolls over and goes from second to last. We see how Joe Lindberg up the lead by the fast lap margin of the Bravo, 17.046 so far.
First. Second. Third. Fourth.
Blue Justin rolls over and now checks up. The battle of the Blue Justin.
No, he didn't.
Looks like Rob and Joe Lindberg are checking off for Justin and Adam.
Fourth.
Well, bye-bye. See you later, alligator.
First. Second.
Ooh, Rob rolls over and has to get more margin.
Third. Fourth.
Adam ends up on the track and Justin is by. We got 4 remaining.
First. Second.
Right now, Joe Lindberg's on a 23.6 flat. Rob on a 23.614. Justin on a 22.609. And Adam is on a 22.612. Rob on the new fast on a 16.677.
Third. Fourth.
Next, my first speed, or sorry, my next speed is short course.
Second.
Ooh, Rob is stuck in the pipe. Give Joe even more breathing room.
Fourth. First.
Right now, Joe has 6.3 seconds on Rob. Rob has 10.1 seconds on Adam. And Adam
Fourth. First.
has 4.2
Thanks.
seconds on Justin.
Second.
Looks a little tighter than on the side.
Third.
Rob is another fast on 60.584.
He is pushing hard.
Bring these all together.
Second.
Looks like Joe Lindberg getting his way around Justin.
Nah, he let me go.
First. Fourth. Second.
18 now remaining.
Third. First.
Caution to the finish line.
Second.
Caution clear.
Third.
Acting Grant, personal best lap 17.373.
Second.
145 now remaining. Right now, Rob is 5.175 Justin Ford, 123 now remaining. No close battles, they're all separate buddies.
First.
Ford now second.
Second. Fourth. Third. First.
See my short ones guys getting their stuff turned on right now.
Second.
Less than 50 seconds remaining on this race.
Fourth. First.
Won't over there having great old time.
Second.
Thanks again, Justin.
Third.
Oh, don't let that race slow down a little bit, but there's only 28 seconds remaining.
First. Fourth.
You only have a 4.0 second lead. Rob starting to reel it in. Might be too little too late.
Well, it's never too late.
First.
Rob's also on the edge.
Second.
Alabama 2.4 seconds separating them. Right across the line and you will be done. Oh, womp, womp, womp.
Just in case